Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how you mute yourself while in a meeting in Google Meet. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correct, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead to the official Google Meet website right here and log into your Google account. After logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see at the left side of the screen you have options to either create a new meeting or to join an existing meeting. So guys, if you want to join somebody else's meeting, all you have to do is go ahead and paste the link or code that they have sent you to their meeting right here, and then after that click the join button that will appear next to that code. After that guys, you'll successfully join their meeting. But for today's video guys, I'm going to go ahead and create my own meeting. So I'm going to go ahead and click the blue button right here, and as you can see now I have the option to either create a meeting for later or to schedule one in Google Calendar. But I'm going to go ahead and start an instant meeting right here. And after clicking on start instant meeting guys, this will now open up the meeting tab right here. As you can see here, I can see how my meeting looks, and now I can share my screen to my participants. So guys, let's say that I'm in the group. As you can see, I'm currently alone, but this will work the same if there are more people in your meeting. So let's say that I want to mute myself and that I want to talk in the background, but I do not want anybody in the meeting to hear me. How do I do that guys? Well, it's very easy and you only need one click. All you have to do guys is go right here to the lower part of the corner where these options are for managing your meeting, and you want to click the first option right here that says turn off microphone. So guys, go ahead and click on turn off microphone, and now you have successfully muted yourself and nobody will be able to hear you talk. So what you can do is go back and click, if you want to turn it on again, then you can go ahead and click the same option again. As you can see now your microphone is on and everybody will be able to hear you again. So yeah guys, basically that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.